Welcome students in my classroom. It's a digital class of English. Now I am going to teach you a poetry whose title is Song of Myself. Now I am going to teach you a poetry whose title is Song of Myself, and the poem is written by Walt Whitman. Just before watching my video, subscribe my channel to receive latest updates. Now I will going to start the discuss about the poem Song of Myself. As you know, Song of Myself is a very beautiful poem composed by Walt Whitman. He is a renowned English poet, and in the poem, the poet describes about his life and his personal thinkings. According to the poet, all of us are same and all have similarity. Now we can say the poet wants to tell about the uniformity of human beings. He thinks that there is no difference between human beings, and he says that every person has the same feeling. Every person has the same atom of blood whose color is same, as you know, which is red. He is sad. The poet thinks and becomes sad to see all the quarrelings fighting for nonsense things. The poet wonders and thinks why the persons quarrel with one another. If when the poet watches a quarreling persons, he became sad and thinks that why people are quarreling due to narrow-mindedness, narrow thinkings, and the religious dogma. So the poet is worried. He observes the sphere of glass in summer. He supposes that there are two sides of life, which are joy and sorrow. Thus we can say the poet wants to say that life is the mixture of pain and pleasure, so he has the experience of both pain as well as pleasure. So he feels joy and fears. He says that his body, tongue, and every atom of blood has been formed for soil and air. The poet thinks that he came after his parents as all came, but his mind is always active to think everyone appears on the earth same, but why people quarrel with each other? Now he is 37 years old and he is healthy, so he wants to work continuously. Here he suggests that we must be positive each and every time. He is 37 years old and now he is healthy, so he wants to work continuously. He is religious minded. The poet is religious minded, but he has no consideration of creeds and religious faiths. He wants to reform humanity. The poet wants refinement in humanity. Nature should not be checked. Now the poet wants to warn that we should not control over nature, but we must controlled by nature. So in the poet's opinion, nature must be guides us we never try to guide nature or destroy nature. He is religious minded and he has no consideration of creeds. He wants to define humanity and thinks that nature should not be checked. The poet says that there should be communal harmony in the society. There should be a communal harmony in the society like Mahatma Gandhi. So we can say that the poet says that life is a beautiful thing, and he wants to say as John Keats, who quotes a beauty is a thing, joy forever. So the poet Walt Whitman also says like Keats that life is a beautiful thing, we must enjoy with us. So the poet says that life is a beautiful thing, so we should be happy and try to make others happy. That's the keynote of the poetry. Now we can say, now I am repeating that the keynote of the poem is we must be happy and must try to make each other happy. That is the duty and a style, that must be duty and a style of each and every person. And if it will do, then we can imagine a new form of humanity, and there should be peace and happiness each and everywhere. Thank you.